Bet you can't guess what we're gonna be tearing apart today. Mom, you're due for an upgrade. The blade wants to go down, but it sure doesn't want to go up. And I know for a fact that ain't square. Let's see if maybe we can't get one more cut out of the old girl. God, no one's done that in 10 years. Wonder if there's something on the bottom. Oh, that's a mile-long thread. Holy crap. And these also have, oh, you kidding me. Isn't this thing great? This thing is awful. You 10s? You 10 millimeters? You are today. Thanks for impact. Well, ain't that just the best thing ever? Yeah, if that is in fact a roll pin, like that's just all sorts of pleasure right there. Maybe I'm just complaining. There's our roll pin. 10. Oh, that's so crappy, man. All right, so that's like a 6.5 millimeter wrench. I ain't got one. I tried a standard. I ain't got one that will fit that. So it's time for the persuader. More than 4 ways to skin a bird. TTI product, I'm pretty sure. How to change your blade on a Ryobi table saw. Take the whole thing apart. What the hell? And lipo. Now how do I get these out of here? Just like that, I just cheese it. Man, this is sketchy. I'm just gonna, oh yeah! Wow! Oh, it tried. Whap whap. If it's a death sentence, like if you have to replace the motor on this thing. Good Lord. Got it. Now then. It's a lot of play.